pulled up again. What's up?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Prison. Oh my God.
You listen, little boy.
I need my Cheerios. That's our street. Okay, here's our house. This is what our house looks like.
Or you can come and visit us.
Yeah.
91st Street.
We'd be happy to have visitors at
Our house. No, we'll just bring them over there.
Where'd he go? Oh well, there's like this random chicken guy.
Yeah,
running around.
let's go find that random chicken guy.
Hey guys,
He's a very rare chicken. We haven't seen him in 10. Yeah, and he was panda. Awesome panda.
Oh my God.
The chicken man! This way. The chicken man. Okay, we're almost there. Where's the chicken man?
Where'd he go?
Was he that way?
I
Yeah.
don't know where he could go.
Where's the chicken man? Get over here and watch it. Come on. Chicken man! My leg broke.
Help me,
That's the chicken man. Jalen was stupid.
I will let him.
Wait. No, listen. Wait, time that. Wait, pause the video.
YouTube is a nice guy, and he's
Subscribe to every YouTube channel. Page, y'all.
You know, there's a bunch of stuff going on. Donald Trump's president.
My leg's broken. And guys, we are the next door neighbors.
No, you're not. You're the down the street neighbors.
No. We live right next in these bushes. No, you don't. I thought you lived in that house right there. You live in that. They live in that house.
Oh yeah, we do.
That they live in that house. Actually, we don't live in that house. She's just lied. We live in that house because we're rich. You don't live. Jalen, you live down the street. Do I?
Oh my God! No, Jalen doesn't live anywhere. He lives in those bushes. This is Jalen's house right here.
Get out of my house. Step in my bathroom. This is. Look at where. This is where he pees. This is where he sleeps.
And he pees in this bush.
No, actually, I don't sleep right here. He eats out of this bush. He poops on this bush. He kisses that bush. He hugs that bush. He plays with that bush. And he eats that bush also. And he also has another house. So basically, that house is his.
Vlogger, guys, high fives to each other.
And this is his other house. I think this one's better than that tree house.
Hobo McButtnugget. His name is Hobo McButtnugget.
Start a gun. Oh crap! He's awake.
Start a gun. Hey, which one of you stole my shit? Oh my God!
Come on, let's get in the house and lock the door. Get out of my house. My leg.
Sorry,
My beautiful leg.
Hey! You guys should go watch that. It's a good video. Anyways. Yeah, and then...
Is my leg okay? Check it. Check my leg. No, check my leg. Guys, see this leg? See it? See it? Check it. Check it.
The retarded dolphin.
The retarded dolphin. And there's a retarded man behind it.
Oh my God,
Peace out, y'all. I drink weed
subscribe
every day.
to our channel and like and subscribe. Bye. And subscribe to the Chicken Man. Goodbye.